What is Islam? Can you imagine a religion followed by millions of people around the world based on peace, kindness and faith in one God? A religion where many places of worship have beautiful geometric patterns and calm spaces for prayer. This is Islam. Let's find out more about it. Islam is the second most popular world religion. People who follow Islam are called Muslims. Muslims believe in one God called Allah, the Arabic word for God. Muslims believe that Allah is the creator and ruler of everything. Allah sent prophets as messengers. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the final prophet and the only one who delivered the last revelation. They believe he was chosen by Allah to share his message with the world. Peace be upon you is an Arabic greeting. So where do Muslims worship Allah and learn about the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? Muslims worship in a building called a mosque. Mosques often have a dome and a tall tower called a minaret. From the minaret, a person called a muezzin calls people to prayer 5 times a day. The person who leads the prayers is called an imam. Let's go inside. On the walls you'll find beautiful patterns and writing from the Qur'an, but no pictures of people or animals. Muslims take off their shoes inside mosques. Some Muslim women choose to wear a scarf called a hijab in public as a sign of modesty and respect. Once inside, Muslims pray on prayer mats or on clean areas inside the mosque, facing the holy city of Mecca. Mecca is where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born. Behind these practices lie important guides on how to live. Every Muslim follows 5 important rules called the 5 pillars of Islam. These are believing in one God, Shahada, prayer, Salah, charity, Zakat, fasting during Ramadan, Psalm, and pilgrimage to Mecca, if they are able to, Hajj. Many Muslims travel to Mecca to visit the Kaaba, the house of Allah. The journey is called Hajj, where Muslims walk around the Kaaba 7 times. These pillars guide Muslims in their faith and in how they treat others. Guidance on how to live and stories about Islam are all contained in the Qur'an, their holy book. Muslims believe it contains the exact words of Allah revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It teaches Muslims how to live good lives, be kind and care for others. As well as being kind, Muslims celebrate their faith during special times such as Ramadan. During the month of Ramadan, Muslims fast and do not eat during daylight hours. At the end, they celebrate with a special festival called Eid al-Fitr, which celebrates the end of fasting and means the festival of breaking the fast, and it includes gifts, food and new clothes. So what is Islam? Islam is a faith that teaches peace, kindness and devotion to one God, Allah. From prayer to pilgrimage, every act helps Muslims grow closer to him and live good, caring lives. Thanks for watching and listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun facts and learning with us.